sure we all know what this is. So if you play Roblox, or if you've seen something like this, so if you play Roblox, you play get a snack at 4 a.m. or at 3 a.m., whatever, and you've seen like pick up orange. Then you get the ending, that's not an orange or whatever, because it's an orange that has a mouth, like this. So, yeah, I don't know what it's called, but I've seen it before. I'm sure we're all picturing it in our heads. Like, if you don't know what it is, then just go to YouTube and do, like, orange or something. Orange and pear. Because what they're showed before, and then you can see something like this with a mouth. Well, yeah, I'm sure we've all seen this at least once in our lives, but we got it. Well, okay, well, that's the end of the video. I'm sorry this was a short video. It's only like 1 minute and like 2 seconds, but guys, make sure to subscribe, and if you find this in your house, please run, because like this looks kind of creepy. Well, guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video and turn on those notifications. Bye guys, have fun.